The Baltimore area's first snowfall of the season is here, with an expected accumulation between 1 and 3 inches, according to the National Weather Service. While many Marylanders awoke Saturday without whiteness out their windows, the snow has begun to fill in across the area. A light snowfall, moderate at times, is expected to continue for most of the day, tapering off around or just after sunset, said Andrew Snyder, a meteorologist with the Weather Service. With temperatures at and expected to hover just above freezing, it's probably going to trend more toward the wetter type of snow, and on the ground it's probably going to be slushy, Snyder said. A look back at the winters since 1891 in which Baltimore got the least amount of snow. Higher totals are expected along and southeast of Interstate 95, Snyder said. Far southern Maryland over toward the eastern shore and Delaware actually got a decent coating of snow from late yesterday afternoon through the overnight hours, and there will be more developing over the day, Snyder said Saturday morning. They'll probably come out on top. The late arrival for the snow probably means the snow totals are just a little bit lower than what was forecast on Friday, Snyder said, but in the end, it still falls into that winter weather advisory category. A system that dropped snow from Alabama into the Carolinas on Friday is expected to reach most of Maryland. As much as a few inches of snow are forecast from the east side of the mountains of western Maryland all the way to the eastern shore. A winter weather advisory is in effect across central Maryland from midnight to 4 p.m. Saturday, and on the eastern shore from 7 p.m. Friday until 7 p.m. Saturday. Several area public school systems canceled activities, including sports events, Saturday, including Anne Arundel, Howard, Carroll, and Baltimore counties. Anne Arundel, Howard, and Baltimore counties specifically mentioned college admission tests would not be administered. A note on the Baltimore City Public Schools website said the annual choice fair, in which parents learn about middle and high school options, would take place snow or no snow. Forecasters warned of potentially hazardous conditions on area roadways. The sun is so weak at this time of year, it may not do much to prevent accumulation on pavement, they said. Be prepared for reduced visibilities at times, the advisory states. Sunday is forecast to be sunny but windy, with a high near 38 degrees. Baltimore Sun reporters Talia Richmond and Scott Dance contributed to this report. Here's a look at the National Weather Service's projections for snowfall in Maryland on Saturday afternoon. Find updates here.